In case if the email autofill option is not working in any of the mail app in your Android device, then let us see what to do. I have opened the Gmail app. Now let me create a new email. Now when I try to input the name of the contact to whom I want to send the email, and if I try to write the email address, I cannot see any saved email and I cannot autofill the email. So what you do is go ahead and open settings, go to apps. Now since I'm using Gmail app, so I will go to Gmail. I will open it and I will go to permission, and you can see there is an option here, contact, which is right now disabled. So enable contact option. Now let me again open Gmail. Now this time let me see if I try to add the name of the contact. I can see the options here. These are the contacts to whom I had already sent an email, and I can choose any of the contact from here directly. So this is what you will do if the email autofill option is not working for the mail app. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.